Nothing. Just expecting. You should just like let it happen. Like expect नहीं करना चाहिए. जाएंगे, देखेंगे क्या होगा. I'm sure it'll be a fun evening, and definitely a very stylish evening. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to what's going to happen. What खुश हूँ मैं, delighted हूँ. Response has been very very good, has been very positive, and audience response has been fantastic. So खुशी हो रही है and और क्या बोलूँ, बस मज़ा आ रहा है. Thank you so much.
कैसे हैं आप? जी, आप पूछिए. आपको हमेशा ऐसा लगता है या आज ही ऐसा लग रहा है? मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा है, देखते हैं. जी हाँ, मैं ओहो सर बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ यहाँ आने के लिए और अंदर जाके देखते हैं. Anything else? आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं.
बहुत खुशी की बात है. मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही खुशनसीबी है कि मैं इस तरह का इज्जत मिल रही है.
Am I late? Really? But I think अभी तो टाइम था आने का, सबको अभी बुलाया तो अभी आ गई. जो टाइम मुझे देते मैं वही टाइम पे पहुंच जाती हूँ. मोस्टली आई कम अ लिटिल अर्ली, तो इट्स अ बिट ऑफ कभी कभी मुझे बताना पड़ता है कि प्लीज़ रुको, जब बताएंगे तब निकलो, क्योंकि जब बताते कि निकलो तब मैं निकल जाती हूँ. तो थोड़ा सॉरी. So HT Style Awards, definitely, it's about style tonight. So I would like to give credit to everybody, all the stylists जिन्होंने मुझे style किया है. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thanks guys. कोई है ही नहीं क्या? क्यों भाई? ओके जल्दी.
the questions can come from any side. You have to look in the front.
Okay.
Many congratulations for the award.
Yeah.
We were so sure कि मतलब ऊपर से नहीं नीचे से.
आपने कहा कहीं से आ सकता है तो
ये सामने से मैंने इसलिए
ओके ओके हाँ.
तो मतलब many congratulations for the award. Just tell your words for the winning the award, getting the award.
Well, it feels amazing. I mean, I think we all know that this is a style award, and I think it goes to everyone that you know sort of works behind the scenes, whether it's the stylist, whether it's your hair and makeup, whether it's our directors who present us in the way that we look on screen. So I think it's a combination of you know of all of that, and of course a combination of each one of our personalities. I think all of us have a specific style, and I think our teams sort of try and bring out the best.
I understand there will be very less time, so we have to cut the other questions. The most stylish man and women, would you like to say? It's the most stylish man and women.
Well, I think today I was very happy to see Neetu ji and Rishi ji win. I think they've always been extremely elegant and so well turned out always, and elegant not just in the way that they dress but even in the way that they conduct themselves. So you know, I think you know, it was nice seeing them.
This time we will see your dance.
No, right now I'm just all my energies are focused on Padmavati for now. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, good evening.
Congratulations for both the things for your film and your family now.
Thank you. Elaborate?
For the film के लिए so
नहीं, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm very excited that the film is clocked 100 crores at the box office. Really excited for Shashank, for Varun, for Alia, the entire team of Badrinath. We're very proud of the film. It's been loved, it's been watched, and it continues to be watched. हम बहुत गर्व के साथ कह सकते हैं कि हम बद्री की दुल्हनिया के producers हैं.
अच्छा इसी पर आपके चमक चमार वो स्टाइलिश मतलब थिंग्स
मैं बहुत चमकता हुआ इंसान हूँ, तो मेरे जूते भी चमकने चाहिए, मेरा चेहरा भी चमकना चाहिए. हर जगह स्टाइलिश इवेंट के लिए आया हूँ तो चमकना ज़रूरी है.
In all sincerity, in all sensitivity, I need to ask you, when can we have the glimpse of your babies?
Well, I'm very excited to share the wonderful visual of my children with everyone. At the right time, I hope I can share it with everyone very soon.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel? I know you are going to win the Best Actress Stylish Award.
It feels very good. I feel very privileged and happy and excited और stylish बनने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
And about 100?
What about 100? अरे बहुत खुशी है 100 को लेकर. बहुत ही यूनिक तरह से आपने अनाउंसमेंट कर लिया है. But I just want to say thank you. और मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती हूँ. Thank you for the love and thank you for all the the warmth towards Badri. एक्चुअली हमने कहा था कि अगर इस फिल्म को आप प्यार दो तो हम प्यार वापस देंगे. तो फिर मैं करण को फ़ोन करती हूँ, पूछती हूँ कि प्यार वापस मिल गया, अब हम क्या करें.
आलिया इन दिनों तो एक्ट्रेसेस आपको फॉलो करने लगी है, लाइक योर स्टाइल. लोग कहते हैं अपने मतलब स्टाइलिस्ट वगैरह को आलिया जैसा दिखना है, या पीआर को भी बोलते हैं.
हाँ गलती हो गई. आई डोंट थिंक ऐसे लोग कहते हैं. आई फील एवरीबडी हैज़ देयर ओन इंडिविजुअल स्टाइल और वैसे ही रहना चाहिए. हाँ देखी है, बहुत पसंद आई मुझे. आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी स्वीट वेरी यूनिक फिल्म. मैंने ट्वीट भी किया एंड आई रियली लाइक अनुष्का. वो इतनी ब्रेव है, हमेशा अलग अलग फिल्में करती है. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड एंड आई होप द ऑडियंस गिव्स इट द लव इट डिजर्व्स.
Thank you so much. Come, let's go. Quickly. Thank you.
Hi. Thank you.
So what do you want to say about the evening? It's the most stylish award.
Yes, as always, I think this is that time of the year where people notice what we are wearing and how we are dressed. So very, very happy to be here at this event and see, looking forward to a fun night.
New hairstyle, is it for a film or this?
Yes, this is a new haircut. I just got my haircut a while back. It's been a month. It is for a new film. It is for Ittifaq that I'm shooting right now.
Back-to-back films again, reload
Yes, it's been great. I'm actually going to start one more film before the year ends, and I'll have 3 films, and they're going to release back to back. So it's always great. I think I'm happy to keep working and have my dates full. Yes, I heard. I have actually not seen the film. I've been shooting Ittifaq. I still have to catch the film, and I know they've done 100 crores. So congratulations to them, the whole team, Dharma, Karan, everybody. आज ही I think हुआ है. So it's been great, yeah. It's been great. Yeah. अरे कैसे हैं आप?
Tell us something about what decode your dress for tonight.
Decode my dress for tonight. Tonight I'm wearing Rohit and Rahul, Indian designer है हमारे, and I think that the shirt is from Diesel, and I'm styled by Lakshmi. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I think today all of us are representing our stylists who make us feel fashionable. And style is something that I think you cannot buy, or something you have inherently. हर किसी का अपना style होता है. So hopefully I'm carrying myself and being fashionable at the same time.
You sure probably you will be winning the award?
I don't know. I'm looking forward to it. Let's see. आपको कुछ खबर है तो बताइए. आपको कुछ इनसाइड खबर है तो बताइए. नहीं, आपको कुछ आपके क्या है वो? किसका पेपर हो? तो यहाँ पे पेपर पढ़ रहे हैं आप? हिस्ट्री का भी देते हैं.
Study. Siddharth, Varun has entered 100 crore club, so when can we expect you also like soon we'll see?
I did a film called Ek Villain.
Right.
I think it did touch, 100 crores. Sorry? Reload is going to come out in August. We're going to come up with the first look very soon. And yeah, we're pretty excited about it. Every time, August 25th is the release date. And it's an action popcorn film, which I keep calling, with entertainment. Me and Jacqueline, Raj and DK are directors. So yeah, pretty soon we're going to come out with the first look.
Who's stylish apart from you in the industry, men and women?
Men and most stylish apart from me. Okay, thank you. Apart from me, I think Saif Ali Khan is very stylish, and amongst the women, I just saw Anushka. She's looking very good today. So I think Anushka.
फिल्लौरी की फिल्म आपने
हाँ जी, मैंने फिलौरी देखी कल, हमारी पूरी टीम गई थी देखने के लिए एंड आई रियली लाइक्ड इट एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी फ्रेश न्यू टेक ऑन लव एंड बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग नैरेटिव है एंड आई हैट्स ऑफ टू प्रोड्यूस इट, सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू द होल टीम. Definitely there are some stories that I want to make. So far ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा कि इतना कि जो पिक्चर ना बनी हो. I think you become a producer when you feel that the stories that you are getting are not the stories जो आपको करना चाहते हो. अगर आप ऐसी कोई स्क्रिप्ट हो जो शायद ना बने, अगर आप उसको प्रोड्यूस ना करें, तो अभी तक मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. So I'm pretty happy with all the scripts that I have. मैंने कहा था मेरी बहुत फेवरेट पिक्चर है हम एंड उसमें मिस्टर बच्चन का रोल बहुत ही अमेजिंग था एंड एज अ चाइल्ड आई लव्ड यू नो सीइंग हिम ऑन स्क्रीन एंड एम्युलेटिंग हिम. सो बहुत मज़ा आएगा अगर ऐसी कोई पिक्चर करने का मौका मिले. किमी आर्टर के रोल में मैंने वो नहीं सोचा उनके बारे में. आजकल तो बहुत है. हाँ, बहुत दिनों में मिले हम. जुम्मा करने बहुत मज़ा आएगा. कोई भी हीरो. एनी प्रेफरेंसेस? I don't know, I've never thought about it. I think पूरी कास्टिंग बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगी. उसमें रजनीकांत जी भी है, गोविंदा जी भी हैं, मिस्टर बच्चन जी भी है, किमी काटकर है. हाँ, बहुत अच्छी कास्ट है. तो हम लोग कभी बैठ के मिलके बात करेंगे, बनाएंगे. आपके साथ प्रोड्यूस करता हूँ पिक्चर. शुक्रिया. थैंक यू गाइस.
हेलो, खाली 4.
थैंक यू.
इसलिए हम लोग आज सूट पहन के आए क्योंकि हमारी पिक्चर ने अच्छा किया है.
सूट पहनवाया है.
हाँ.
सर, इनके जीवन में तो चलता आ रहा है, मेरे जीवन में पहली बार है. सो इट फील्स गुड. बट हमें बहुत खुशी है कि हमारी फिल्म को प्यार मिल रहा है और अभी तक मिलते जा रहा है. आई थिंक वी आर मोर हैप्पी अबाउट दैट वर्सेस नंबर्स.
उसी औरत को जाएगा जो थोड़ी देर बाद आएगी, जो इस विश्व की बहुत ही महान कलाकार है. मिलना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. हमें पता नहीं, फिल्म के बाद बात नहीं की.
हम फिल्म में भी वैदे ही को ढूंढ रहे थे, हम रियल लाइफ में भी आलिया को ढूंढ रहे थे.
आई थिंक फिल्म का जो सारा श्रेय है वो डेफिनेटली शशांक को जाना चाहता है. आई थिंक द डायरेक्टर डिजर्व्स द क्रेडिट. इनकी स्टोरी है, इज रिटन इन डायलॉग्स, सो ही डेफिनेटली डिजर्व्स इट.
हमारी फिल्म का क्रेडिट
इनको बहुत
इन्होंने मुझे इशकजादे में तराशा था और बोला था कि इसमें कुछ बात है.
क्या आपको ये ट्रिविया पता था कि शशांक द मोस्ट अमेजिंग टैलेंटेड गाय ने इशकजादे में एक्ट किया है और उसी दिन से हमें पता था कि एक दिन बहुत सक्सेसफुल फिल्म बनेंगे. सो प्लीज कांग्रेचुलेट देम, दे डिजर्व ऑल द सक्सेस.
I have to just tell Pariti, go Golmaal, go Golmaal.
Come. You got lipstick marks on your cheek. Hi, कैसे हैं आप? क्या ये सच है? I don't know. अंदर खुशी होती है तो वो दिखती है शायद. Thank you. नहीं, बहुत एक्साइटिंग इवनिंग है. मैं कभी नहीं जानती थी कि मैं किसी स्टाइल अवार्ड्स पे अपना कोई भी मार्क छोड़ूंगी, बट आई हैव रियली वर्कड हार्ड विद माय स्टाइलिस्ट संजना बत्रा, हु इज़ रियली हेल्प मी फाइंड माय स्टाइल, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट आई एम विनिंग टुडे, क्योंकि स्टाइल इज समथिंग दैट डिडंट कम नेचुरली टू मी, लेकिन अब मुझे लगता है आई एम गेटिंग बेटर एट इट. जी 9th या 10th से मैंने शुरू किया, मुझे याद नहीं है. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. इट्स द बेस्ट सेट आई हैव एवर बीन ऑन. रोहित सर, उनका पूरा गैंग, उनकी पूरी टीम, दे आर जस्ट मैड. बहुत बड़ी पिक्चर है तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है शूट करने में. एंड द टीम इज़ बिकम अ फैमिली. अर्शद, तुषार, कुणाल, श्रेयस, अजय सर, रोहित, मी, तबू, वी ऑल बिकम फ्रेंड्स, सो इट्स लॉट ऑफ फन. जी amazing. It's a legacy. Golmaal एक already एक legendary series है. Kareena has done 2 of them and now I'm the girl in Golmaal. So it's a thing of honor for me. मैं बहुत grateful हूँ God से that I've got this film and I'm doing this film and I hope you all. I think you'll be all very entertained. It's a hilarious film. So you'll have a lot of fun. हाँ. उनका रोल है हमें खुशियाँ देना. वो आए सेट पे और हम सबको हंसा के गए एंड वी ऑल लव हिम. रोहित सर हैज़ वर्क विद हिम ऑन द चिंग्स कैंपेन. मैंने ऑफ कोर्स रणवीर के साथ फिल्में की हैं तो इट वाज ग्रेट फन कि ही केम एंड वी गॉट टू स्पेंड सम गुड टाइम विद हिम. अरे भाई How sweet. Thank you. I just hope I can do a good job. Yes, I am already Bindu. मेरी प्यारी बिंदु रिलीज़ हो रही है 12 मई को. बहुत ही जल्द आपको देखना शुरू होने मिलेगा फिल्म का कंटेंट. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई थिंक यू लाइक मेरी प्यारी बिंदु. तो मैं यहीं रह जाती हूँ. मैं अंदर जाती ही नहीं हूँ यार. मैं शूटिंग में बिजी हूँ. जब शूटिंग खत्म होता है मैं घर जाके सो जाती हूँ बस. आप सेट पे आ जाओ मुझे लगता है. ओह थैंक यू गाइस.
अरे अवार्ड के साथ में मैडम अवार्ड शायद वेट करेंगे हम आपका.
Good evening. Thank you. Well, I hope so. I'd be very happy if I do get one, yes. जी बिल्कुल.
Anything about the award night tonight?
Well, I hope it's going to be exciting. I'm sure there'll be a lot of cool people around, very well dressed, looking their best and winning some fun awards.
आपकी स्टाइल से सही लग रहा है.
जी. Hi. What's up? Sorry, you were saying. बाहुबली. हाँ लेकिन वो 100 million hits भी हो गया ना बाहुबली का. I'm a big fan of बाहुबली, so I'm excited about it. Yes, absolutely. Congratulations to the entire team. Thank you for letting me know who was in the film. Mr. Bachchan is always somebody who will be a style icon. I think the way he carries himself is legendary. In actresses, I think Hema ji looks wonderful all the time. Rekha ji is amazingly dressed all the time. Yeah, I mean, I'm shooting right now for Padmavati, so whatever you see is me prepping for Padmavati. Obviously, the look in Padmavati is going to be very, very different. But yeah, I have been training for Padmavati. जी जितना हम लोग कहेंगे उतना और परेशानी होगी, तो बेहतर यही है कि हम कम कहें और कोशिश यही रहेगी कि फ़िल्म की शूटिंग हम लोग कर सकें स्मूथली, और जब फिल्म रिलीज़ हो तो लोग फिल्म को देखें और उसको एक अनबायस्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें और उसके बाद उनको जो फील होता है वो कहें. लोगों का नज़रिया जो है और उनकी फीलिंग्स जो है, आई थिंक संजय सर उनको मद्देनज़र रख रहे हैं और ऐसी कोई चीज़ भी नहीं करना चाहेंगे जिससे किसी को भी तकलीफ हो। Well, we're shooting the film. This entire year is dedicated to Padmavati, so I'm sure we'll complete it and bring it out sometime this year.
Thank you guys. Look के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे? Like shoes, dress.
जी शूज़ हैं और ये ड्रेस है, इसके बारे में आप सवाल क्या पूछना चाहते हैं?
I am asking the quote like who's the designer?
This is Khanijo, and my shoes are Fendi. See, I remembered. A lot of times I forget and then I'm fired, so I remember. हाँ जी जी Hey! Really sorry, I can't. Yes. Your last question. कौन सी bells? क्या हुआ wedding bells को? Listen, I don't want to say anything. Let my sister talk. Whenever you see her next, you ask her questions. I don't want to get fired at home about anything. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
बोल बड़ो क्या दबाओ Your eyes are kind towards me, young friend. And anyway, have a nice time today, guys. Happiness and fun and glamour and glitz and style. I don't know. Let's see.
You have always been admired for your style and who you
Danny sir, Danny then Zompa.
and among women.
Dimple G, Madhuri, Pooja. Sorry, can I?
How's it going, guys? All good? Hi. Perfect. Very first time, so I'm a little nervous. Tell me.
Your brother is also.
He's performing. Yeah. He's performing. He's inside. So yeah. I'm nominated for the Fresh Face, and but I hope Diljit Paji wins it. I'm a big Diljit fan. I think he looks really cool with a turban, and I hope he wins this one. Oh God. Don't say that at all. Well, just trying to do some good work and trying to work with all good people. And I hope, I carry on this happy phase in life.
My colleague wants to know about your coming projects.
I'm right now shooting for a web series. And I'm right now working on my second song. It's a single called Kudiyeni. No. So, I might do a web series with him as well. So yeah.
Can I request you to make the evening a musical by your singer?
Okay. So this is a song called Ikwari. That was my first single, which was co-composed and co-written by me and Ayush Bhaiya. And of course, Ayushman Khurrana was singing it. It's called Ikwari Haan Keh De. एक बारी हाँ कह दे मुटियारे, एक बारी हाँ कह दे मुटियारे, एक बारी हाँ कह दे मुटियारे, एक बारी हाँ कह दे। ਬਣਿਆ मैं तेरे लइया, ਜਿਉਂਦਾ मैं तेरे लइया, बना रवांगा मैं तेरा बन के सारी उम्र है। Yeah, thank you so much guys, thank you so much.
I don't know. I don't know what to expect because I've never been here to this kind of thing before. So it's great. You know, I just had a cool interaction with the people there. Looking forward to going inside now. I think you know, style is very unique. It's very subjective. It totally depends on who you are and you know what you feel like wearing on the day. I don't think there are any set rules and any do's and don'ts. So it's just I'm actually very lazy, to be honest. So I just kind of do the best that I can.
According to you, who is the stylist?
Sonam? Dad? Easy, very easy question. How are you doing? Yeah, okay. Sorry. I've been wanting to wear this suit for a very long time. It's Burberry makes this, and you know, it's very comfortable and it's not too thick because it's very hot outside. It's nice.
How is the film coming out?
So we resumed shooting on Tuesday and we're almost done. We have only about 20 days of shooting left. So yeah, it's going really well and I'm really looking forward to you know, the trailer coming out. Yeah. I mean, I've done quite a few interviews and they always ask me this question. You know, I think it's definitely harder for outsiders, to be very honest. You know, I can't imagine the amount of hard work and dedication that it takes to kind of make your way through the door. But I think once you do that, then kind of it's about how talented you are. And we have a lot of examples like Ranveer Singh, Siddharth Malhotra, Sushant Singh Rajput. And then there are also great actors from film families like Ranveer and Alia and Sonam. So there's a good mix, you know, and I think everything in life has its advantages and disadvantages. So you just have to kind of work hard, keep your head down and try and do your best, you know. Thank you.
Very good evening. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. I hope everyone agrees to it and everyone says the same. This flavor is, I think people are getting overdose of me lately, I guess. That's why they see me around everywhere. I think it's good, yeah. The thing is, I've worked pretty hard for last 3 years. It's just that people are getting to see it now. So the good part is they are enjoying enjoying watching it. So that is what making me really happy. आप ऐसे मत बोलो यार, मुझे डर लग रहा है, अब तो प्रेशर फील हो रहा है मेरे को, इतना आप ऐसे अच्छा बोल रहे हो तो. बट नाइस, आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम आई एम गेटिंग टू हियर सम वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स कमिंग फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड फॉर मी, सो आई एम रियली एंजॉयिंग इट. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द कमेंट्स. थैंक यू. यस, आई एम कीपिंग इट स्टाइलिश. Yeah, it's actually all very different. It starts with Crystal Atala's top. It's Aniket Satam's pants, and it's Oral's earrings and accessories. So I'm like mixing it all up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, bro. Maybe one more thing. Go, Dada. Go.
क्या करूँ सर?
राइट प्रोफाइल.
ठीक है.
ऑलवेज गिव दैट. हां पर यहां पे आप जाओ पूरे टाइम में से. हां ये. ओपन योर राइट बॉडी ऑफ दिस. हां दिस. यस.
Hi.
Style Awards, so what are you expecting? How are you looking forward to the show?
I'm very excited because you get to see so many beautiful people dressed so well, and it's obviously a very exciting event.
Good evening, Sami. Thank you for obliging us by our request.
No problem. Generally क्या होता है, actresses have their preferred profile, but no problem. No problem.
And Sami, we are seeing lots of your video on the beach and everything.
Yes.
So having a nice time these days.
I'm having a very good time. I've been signed up by Adidas as the face of running, and because of my association with this brand, मैं बहुत जगह घूम रही हूँ और वहाँ दौड़ रही हूँ for the brand. So it's something which I'm very passionate about. So I'm very happy.
Sami, one thing more, like now you're a stylish person also.
Thanks.
Conscious decisions of for your dress and everything now.
I used to think I was very stylish in the beginning, but now you think I'm stylish now, so it's very good. I'm glad you think so.
Can you just describe your dress? Am I right?
I'm wearing an Italian designer called Daniel, and it's beautiful, but it's still very comfortable. मतलब it's not बहुत तामझाम नहीं है उससे.
And we have seen your ears like
Yes.
of the. Can you just describe?
So I'm wearing Carrot Line jewelry, and this is like a signature trademark, which is one of their signature trademarks.
Something new in us.
I think Sonam obviously has raised the bar with regards to fashion. तो उन्होंने तो she set the bar for fashion in the industry. पर मुझे I feel रणवीर की style बहुत हटके लगती है. He's not afraid. He does what he pulls it off very well. So I think both of them.
Any film projects, upcoming film projects जिसके बारे में आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
Unfortunately, अभी तक nothing which has officially been signed on. But I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
बीच में ऐसे नाम आने लगे थे, कोई एक फिल्म्स का आपका नाम जुड़ा था. So are you okay with like your name being associated with films and though there is no confirmation from your side?
There was no confirmation from my side, but it just felt good that people thought I was doing so many projects. It's always nice when people think I'm doing so much work, but unfortunately it wasn't the truth.
But we wanted to see more of you and daring personality. Then all of us love you to see again.
Fingers crossed. Thank you. Thank you.
पीछे सामने एकदम
Isha, we need a smile. Smiling you.
My eye.
Yes, yes.
There you
Hi, good evening.
You have to look in the front.
I am.
Questions to become
Yeah.
Very bold and very powerful look for tonight. From your side.
I think that's what HT Style Awards are about, to go all out there, and yeah, I hope that since you're staying it bold and out there, that's the whole idea. My dress, all I can tell you that I'm really blessed that my friend Nikhil Thampi, who's here with me, he designed it. Right there, getting clicked. So it's his idea, his creation, and he wanted to do a mix of his style mixed with something really bold, and I think that's why he created this for me. I think style is a personal fashion that changes with time. I think that's what it is. In Bollywood? I think Kangna and Deepika are really well styled, and Sonam, of course. Like, hands down, Sonam started it, but I think Kangna and Deepika as well. Jackie Shroff. Always. Yeah? Well, he is. He's always that stylish. So I'll see him now. See you. Done. Badshah, we are on our last leg, which you'll hear Ajay and Milan also come, so they'll tell you. But we are on the last leg, which is going to be shot soon, and then the film's completed. Thank you.
Hi. Thank you. I'm wearing an outfit from Amit GT and I'm styled by Sanjana tonight. You know, I think style is something that's very, very personal, and I just think everyone kind of needs to find their own space, and once you do that, once you know what's the best for you and what you're most comfortable in, I think you automatically start owning your own style, and that is something that happened with me as well. Over the years, I kind of learned, you know, what's best for me and what I like the most and what suits me the most. Sometimes it's not even something that I like, but it just suits me the most, and that's why I'm able to carry it really well. I think style, that's what style is all about. It's your persona. Not really. I think I bid farewell a long time ago. I'm kind of enjoying this space here, and yeah, I think this is good for me right now. Thank you.
Can you just help us with your dress, like who's the designer and stylist and everything?
Sure. The designer of this outfit that I'm wearing today is Amit GT, and I've been styled by Sanjana Batra.
आपको लगता है स्टाइल है बहुत ही स्टाइलिश लोग हैं अभी आप अगर बताना चाहेंगे उसका नाम जिनको आप देखती हैं
You know, I think actually there are a lot of people. I think Ronit Roy is somebody who's owned a timeless style. You know, he's always been very fit, very stylish. He's one of those consistent people. Yeah. But that's a tough one, actually. I think I like Sakshi's simplicity and her own style that she carries. Yeah. No, actually, my sister is a writer. She's been working with Vikram Bhatt. She's worked on a lot of movies and other web stuff. So yeah, that's what's been keeping her busy. Are we good? Sorry. Honestly speaking, none. know nothing. I watch American TV shows, but not Indian.
Good evening. Sorry? Oh, thank you so much.
Can you describe your dress first?
You want me to describe myself? My dress. Well, I'm wearing this dress, as you can see, from Nivedita Sabu, and jewelries from from Maniwala Jewelries. And I'm styled by Mansi Patel, and pretty much myself. कैसे वाले वीडियोस? हाँ, वो क्या है बता दो।
वही जो आप अपने ट्विटर वगैरह इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह पे डालते हैं।
वो मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट वाला?
ये सब कोई आपने अपने फैन के साथ भी डाला ना एक?
हाँ, या वो तो मैंने किया है, या। I guess, I don't know, yeah. I think so. I think we all are these days, right? आप भी ना? नहीं? नहीं? तो आप भी social हो ना? अच्छा, okay, ठीक है. Oh, it's okay. I enjoy talking with him. He's a sweetheart. Well, so you all will see a glimpse of me in Naam Shabana, which is releasing now 31st of March. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. So if you want to see me on the big screen, go and watch Naam Shabana. You'll see me there. Yes, I'm going for one performance. I'm going to Hong Kong. Yes, I'm excited for that. Well, that's a secret as of now, but I'm sure you guys will get like super excited once you get to know what the act is all about and with whom I will perform with. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you too. And become more social. How are you? Good. How are you doing?
So what are you expecting from the style of
Glamour, lots of glamour, and yeah, a really stylish turnout tonight. I'm wearing a Holstein heritage dress, and my shoes are Cavalli. Yeah, it's tonight. Okay, I look straight. I think I'm presenting an award tonight. I don't know to whom, so that'll be a surprise for sure.
What are your standards for someone being stylish?
What are?
Your standards for someone being stylish?
I think anyone who's confident in their own personality is stylish for me. So yeah, just wear your own personality and that's your style statement.
Any names would you like to share with us whom you think to be stylish?
In Bollywood, I think everyone today is very stylish and very confident. Someone who I really love, and that's a Hollywood artist, is Blake Lively. Blake Lively. Yeah. Ji haan. I am extremely humbled to have worked with Abbas Mastan sir. It was a super experience, and I look forward to working with them again. I think it's got mixed response, and it's fine. Every film has, sometimes people like it, sometimes people, have other opinions. But for me, I think personally it's been a very satisfying journey, and for all the love that I'm getting personally as well, and for the film, I just thank all those audience members. Soon, not locked yet. Not locked yet. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you. For sure, done. I have to see you again. See you tomorrow.
Who are you? You sat there quietly.
Thank you. Good evening to you too. Thank you so much for that, Vishwas.
What do you feel about
I believe that fashion for me is, I'm from the feel-good genre of fashion, and I like to play with fashion. I like to wear what my mood is. So today's mood is very playful and edgy, and that's what I'm sticking to. Well, this is actually a dress made by a very dear friend of mine, and her name is Simiru Kwai. I don't believe that fashion should be restricted to only brands, and whatever, it's more edgy and experiment. On TV? Oh damn. There's so many, I can't think of one right now, but Kushal is in my show, so I'm gonna name him. I really like Kangana's style. I think no matter what she wears, she makes a statement, and she's very, very stylish. Yeah. मेरे हर सीन की चर्चा होती है, सिर्फ बोल्ड सीन की चर्चा नहीं होती है. मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि that when your work is appreciated, you feel good, and I am very, very grateful for it. I was always in a happy space, and I will always be in a happy space. I have many dreams, and all will be achieved very soon. Thank you. Go together.
Sorry.
I think I've seen lots of my friends, just walking in. So lots to learn from them. Whatever. I always feel that all my friends say that I don't go out. I don't really take care of myself. So I'm sure I'm here to learn a lot from them, and looking forward to meeting all of them. Yeah.
What is style according to you? How would you define?
For me, style is, I think, whatever you feel comfortable in, whatever you feel, that's you. You don't try to follow anyone. Just be yourself. I think that's your real style. Yeah, I'm presenting an award, and of course, like I said, I always look forward to meeting all my industry friends here. So that's the reason I'm here. जी भाई, हाय भाई, क्या हाल है? सुबह डन? अच्छा, सॉरी बेटे, कैसे जी? मैं सुलह कराऊँ? अरे भाइयों में क्या सुलह होती है यार. आई थिंक चलता रहता है सब. दे विल बी बैक टुगेदर, एंड दे आर लवली पीपल, एंड ऑफ कोर्स अप्स एंड डाउन्स लाइफ में सबके चलते हैं. आई थिंक पार्ट ऑफ इट. तो फिर आ जाएंगे यार. आई थिंक दे लाइक आई सेड, फैमिली में कई बार ऐसे तकरार होते रहते हैं, बट नथिंग टू वरी यार. थैंक यू सो मच यार. गॉड ब्लेस.
जॉन आ रहा है, जल्दी जल्दी पूछ लो. जॉन आ रहा है, जल्दी पूछ लो. पहले जॉन के साथ कर लो. हाँ, गुड इवनिंग. अरे मैडम, जी हाउ आर यू? जी जी जी, गुड इवनिंग. ब्लू जीन्स और ब्लैक शर्ट के साथ काफी लोगों को फूल कर सकते हैं। फिल्म अभी एडिटिंग पे है, फाइनल स्टेजेस पे है और तैयार हो जाएगी। आई थिंक वेरी सून ट्रेलर रिलीज करेंगे, फर्स्ट लुक रिलीज करेंगे एंड देन वील स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट। हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। आई थिंक आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, टाइगर का सेकंड जर्नी शुरू हुआ है एंड इट्स गुड टू सी कटरीना एंड सलमान बैक टुगेदर एंड आई थिंक Ali has also chosen some beautiful locations to continue with what we've done in the first part, and I think it'll be as exciting if not more. मेरे को एग्जैक्ट डिटेल्स प्रोडक्शन के नहीं मालूम, लेकिन आई थिंक टाइगर ऐसा फ्रेंचाइज है जो ऑब्वियसली बहुत ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा। आई थिंक कम से कम 3-4 कंट्रीज में तो शूट करेंगे। आई मीन एक था टाइगर 5 कंट्रीज में शूट करता था, दे विल शूट इन एज मेनी कंट्रीज आई थिंक। No one has reacted. क्योंकि एक मजेदार चीज है और वो जब फिल्म में आप देखेंगे तो बहुत मजा आएगा, तो इसलिए we are putting it together. Thank you.
How are you doing? Good to see you again from there. And you, who are you working for now? That's good. Huh? So John, style awards, what are you expecting from the show? Well, I'm just very thankful to HT for giving me this award, and I'm just very happy that it's a simple night out. I think so. Just be comfortable in what you wear. There are quite a few after me.
I'll be singing a couple of songs, so it'll be good fun, and I'm getting the Youth Icon Award, so I'm looking forward to it. It'll be a lot of fun. Style, I think style could be anything from your alter ego to everything, and you could be yourself, or probably you can be something else, somebody else, and try experiment with your looks. Yeah. Thank you.
Sandesh, bye. Punishment. She has punishment. Devi?
क्या करना है? नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली इधर से आई नहीं, उधर से आई and now I'm going. I got an award. Yeah. What to do now? Some new awards are coming. So. No, this only. This is my first award of the year. Isn't it? Yeah. It's quite cool. He is shooting. The next film, Padman, with Akshay Kumar. Yeah. So he's in Indore and he's shooting. Yes, it is a very special movie, but he's brilliant himself. He doesn't need my input. अभी कुछ नहीं, अभी छुट्टी मनाऊंगी, फिर लिखूंगी, फिर अगली फिल्म आएगी. All right. Yeah.
लेना फटाफट क्या है, क्या टेंशन है, स्टार है। नमन भाई किधर गया एक सेकंड इधर भी देखिए। अभी नहीं, देखिए ले जल्दी। शुक्रिया। नाम शबाना की ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू, प्लीज देखना।
मैडम बेस्ट ऑफ द पिक्चर आता है, जितने आज जो है सब धन्यवाद। बेस्ट ऑफ द यूज थैंक यू।
Hello, how are you?
I'm so fine. What I'm saying कि like फोटो लेना है यहाँ से।
जी ये दिखाएं।
The award is for
most stylish director. Blue jeans और खाली ये शर्ट अगर हो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है।
और white shirt same। लोग यहाँ रखना है आपने।
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All the best to you.
Thank you so much.
Have fun.